Hello, everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel Tech World where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can activate your Netspend card online, which means once you activate it online, you can use it online. If a Netspend card is not activated, then you can't use it online, which means let's say you try to use Let's Win gift card online, in Amazon or Netflix or in other places. And it just does not registers, which means like, where you enter your payment details, your card details just does not match and it says incorrect. That's basically because you have not yet registered your Netspend card. And in order to use a Netspend card online, you need to register it. And that's the process which I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. So let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step 1, a source for Netspend card activation officers. For Netspend card activation, you can click on versus activate your card Netspend prepaid account. Once you click on it is going to take you to Netspend card activation page. So wait for some time until it fully loads up. It might take a bit of time, depends on your internet connection loads up. It's going to ask you to enter your card number and security code. So both of this information is going to be on your card. Your card number is going to be a 16-digit number which is going to be at the front side of your card. And your security code is going to be a 3-digit number which is going to be found at the back side of your card. So enter the information by looking at your card. So enter your 16-digit number over here. And then enter your security code over here. And if it is correct, your continue button will pop out like blue. Once it's blue, click and continue and your card will be activated. Alright, just enter a correct number over here and it should be done. So that's how you guys can activate your Netspend gift card online, and now you can use it online after activating it. So if you guys found the video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. You guys next time, bye bye until done.